initial first 2 weeks was basically just settling in, but I would definitely recommend students that always be proactive, because at the end of August or in the early September week, you have your career fair. If you're joining in fall, then the fall career fair is the most important in the academic year, and you need to be sure that you're prepared well enough for it. So, do a lot of homework before you reach the university, and always coordinate with your seniors and your professors, advisors, and all, to make sure that you're on the right path. So we basically looked up online, and I had a senior studying over here, so I coordinated with him as well and asked him for suggestions. So this is a campus town basically. So in the campus town, you have a lot of this excellent bus route connections and everything, but just make sure that your apartment is not very far from the bus stop, because you'll not really have time to go walking and all. So you want your house to be closer to the bus stop. So if you're taking like a 3 bedroom, then your rent should be like around $350 to $400. For utilities, you have all this like internet, and you have the electricity and water. The university group, I feel that this is a really good leasing group, and they have a tie-up with the utility and the water providers. Always prefer having leases which have a cap on the electricity and water. Cap in the sense like monthly you have to pay like $120, and it very rarely happens that anyone goes over 120. But it also depends on how much you utilize it then. It is very positive as well, because people are really nice, and the Midwest is very friendly, and there are plenty of opportunities at the university. I would also say that I don't always have the notion that you want to only live with Indians. I have lived with people who are from China and even Nigeria, and they are apparently. I mean, I've had a better experience with them. They are also really nice, and even Americans. I don't know how helpful it was, but those information is in the back of your mind, and you never know when it might be of use to you. And go to the career center, get your resume reviewed, learn from them, from job hunting tips. Your seniors are also the best people to guide you, but there is no harm in going and attending these sessions. Like 60 to 80 people per class. The maximum ratio is 44% Indians, 44% Chinese, and like 2% Americans, at least in my course. More than 50%, I guess, had experience, and it is any day better to have experience than coming as a fresher. I am applying to roles that are of a business analyst, project manager, and they definitely prefer experience for considering me for jobs. I had a good amount of work experience before coming over here, so that has been really helpful for me. But if you're a fresher and if you're looking to go purely in the tech, machine learning, data science, and if you're good at programming, then I think you'll be good.